All right, we are in our waves unit, or starting our waves unit. So the very first lesson is going to just be types of waves. So what type of wave is a sound wave is the ultimate question we're trying to answer today. So what is a wave? A wave is a repeating element or disturbance that transfers energy through matter or space. Now, through matter or space is a big thing because we have to talk about what that means. So all waves carry energy without transporting matter. So waves literally travel through matter, but they don't transport matter. So they travel through matter and they get from one place to another place without moving anything in that matter. Molecules pass energy along to neighboring molecules who then pass energy to their neighbors. So it's kind of like the wave where you see the people standing up in front of you and then the next person stands up and then the next person stands up. And so each person is essentially transferring energy into the next person who will stand up, raise their hands, and be a part of that wave. So you can kind of think of that when you think of waves. Understand that all waves are produced by vibrations. When it says vibrations, it means like the excitement of the molecules. Remember, molecules vibrate and move. So understand that all waves are produced by those vibrations and one molecule transferring its energy to the next molecule. So waves will travel as long as there is energy to carry. So if there's energy, the molecules will continue to pass that energy along until the energy runs out. So what do waves travel through? So a medium. A medium is matter through which a wave travels. So anytime I talk about the medium of a wave, I'm talking about what is it traveling through. A medium can be solid, liquid, or gas, or a combination of them. And not all waves need a medium to travel. For example, light, electromagnetic waves, and radio waves can travel through space. Okay, so they don't necessarily need a medium. So the main type of waves we're going to talk about are mechanical waves, and these are waves that can only travel through a medium. When I say the main type, I mean at the beginning the main type that we're only going to talk about. Now, mechanical waves can either be transverse or they can be compressional. A transverse wave is a wave that moves back and forth at right angles to direction that the wave is traveling. So in other words, it goes like this, and then it will go at the exact opposite at 90 degrees to the line all the way down. So it's a wave as you picture a wave like in the ocean. Then there are compressional waves. Compressional waves is when matter in a medium moves in the same direction as the wave travels. So it's kind of like a slinky. So whereas these were kind of like waves in the ocean, this is kind of like a slinky where certain areas compress and certain areas expand, okay? And we get to and fro motion, meaning it'll go back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. Okay? All right. And that is the general idea of different types of waves. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.